time well and engages actively in extracurricular involvements like dancing and carrying out duties as a class officer. Our salutatorian is Zia Lyra Arthur. And besides receiving the salutatorian award, Zia will also get the Loyalty Award for having stayed with us at the Learning Week the longest. Dear parents, come on stage. 6 recently in the preschool. Congratulations. That's mommy. There's your salutatorian then. Congratulations, Zia and the proud parents. Please step forward for the picture taking. Thank you. Hey, smile. Congratulations. Thank you. Now, for the top bump.
As I celebrate today, I want to take a minute to talk about something that really made these past few years easier and a whole lot more meaningful. Positive peer influence. Specifically, how it builds us up through support, correction, and teamwork. These three things, plus a little bit of humor, have made a huge difference, not just in my life, but in the lives of many of us sitting here today. First, support. High school isn't easy. It comes with late nights, tough exams, and moments of doubt. But it's amazing how friends who genuinely care can carry you through. I'm grateful for those who prayed for me, reminded me of my goals, and stayed by my side through all the ups and downs. And honestly, sometimes their jokes and random humor were exactly what I needed to make all the stress and pressure disappear, even just for a moment. Second, correction. Real friends don't just hype you up, but they also keep you grounded. I've had friends who weren't afraid to call me out when I needed it, whether it was helping me fix my mistakes, tutoring me in subjects I struggled with, or simply reminding me to stay focused. It's not always easy to accept correction, but looking back, it's one of the best gifts they could give. Lastly, teamwork. There's something powerful about reviewing for exams together, checking up each other's work, and making sure no one gets left behind. Those late-night group chats and study sessions weren't just about getting higher grades. They taught us how to work together, trust each other, and succeed as a team. So as we graduate today, let us carry with us the lessons our peers have given us, the value of support, the importance of correction, the strength of teamwork, and of course, the ability to laugh even when things get tough. Because long after high school, these are the things that will continue to shape who we are. Thank you, and cheers to my BFFs.